Now, I want us to quickly look at membership operators. So, membership operators. So, membership operators, they are very simple. We have example of our membership operators. Um, uh, we have in, we have in, and we have what? We have not in. All right. So, when we say something, now let me explain both for you. Let me also do this. So, if you check what we got here, returns true if a sequence with specific value is present in the object, meaning that if a sequence with specific value is present in we should leave the big gamma. What is simply saying that if something is present in your list, it returns true, or if something is present in your object, it returns true. Now there are ways that we can quantify this. So the in returns true if it finds specific element in sequence. Otherwise, it returns false. That means, let's say you give it a sequence of data. If what you are looking for is in that sequence, it's not true, or else it returns false. Not in, just the opposite of it. Not in returns true if a sequence with a specific value is not present. So let us use, for instance, let us use a list. It's a very simple subject. So let's say name is equals to prime, right? Prime fit unity. I don't know if I spelled that way. Unity. Let us add one more. TAI, towel. So is faith in name? It will return true. Faith will return true. Yes, because faith is in there. Not in will return what? False. So you see, faith is in name, false. Faith not in name, because the reason why returning false because faith is in name. So let's say, let us use for instance, let's say Adama. So it returns true. So this is an example of a sequence. This is an example of a sequence. So now you see that we are querying that sequence. So faith in name, Adama not in name. Just plain English. Don't know if you understand. So let us try on that one. Let's say unity, and let us say, yeah, let's say unity, and let us say TAIWO. So when you run this, it gives you true false. Unity is among the sequence, but Taiwo, I'm getting false. Why are we getting false here? Because it's saying that Taiwo not in name is false, because Taiwo is in the sequence, is in the name sequence. You get. But if we remove one O away from Taiwo, it returns true, because TAIW is not there. And if we remove one T, you get, it returns false. So I don't know if you understand. So it's very sensitive. What you put in the sequence must be what you put in your must be what you are using to query the sequence, or else it begins to return false. So now the next one is, let us enter our identity operators. All right, identity operators. So identity operators. Identity operators is very simple. It's just like equals to and not equals to, but this time it's using English. It's using English to do the magic. So this one is just like how will I put it? It's just like your normal equals to and not equals to, but this one is just really plain English. Is x is y. It will return true because yes, they are equal. But it will return false in s is not y. But if we say x is not z, what does it return? It returns true because x is not really z. So this one is just like how would I put it? It's just like um equals to and and, and not equals to. So just wanted to let you know concerning that is that equals to and not equals to. So you see that it returns true. So but if we come here and say that s is prime, you see that it returns um, this. So I got an error earlier. So let us turn this to a string. So once we compare it, you see we are getting false, all right? But if we say, if we come here and say x is not y, we are going to get a true value. So that is just all you need to know about membership operators and identity operators. They are very simple subjects. So that this way we end our class. Thank you.